has been raining all morning and I want to think of something warming to my belly. So in today's video we are going to make some Zuppa Toscana soup. It is an Italian soup and it is super popular at Olive Garden if you love that restaurant. But in today's video we're going to make it in the Instant Pot because it's so much faster. So not only is it raining outside, but I need to get rid of my kale. I have so much kale in the garden, so this is the perfect recipe for that. So let's go spice things up. The first thing we're going to do on our Instant Pot is press the saute button. Once your pot heats up, we are going to add 4 strips of bacon, and this I already chopped up. And then just cook it up until they are nice and crispy. So once your bacon is crisped up, we're going to actually take it out and just set it aside. Next, you want to add some Italian style pork sausage and just add it right to the oil. And then just break it up so it starts cooking. And then I'm going to add 1 onion, and this I already chopped up. This is actually a Walla Walla that I picked from my garden yesterday. And of course you can stir it up. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and then some red pepper flakes, some salt, and some pepper. And then continue to stir this up and cook it until the sausage is no longer pink. So now that this is cooked, we are going to add the potatoes. And if you can see, I sliced these just like this, didn't peel them or anything. And then we're going to put them in the pot. This is 4 medium-sized potatoes. Now I'm going to add a carton of chicken broth. And then I'm just going to push the potatoes so that they're all submerged. Oh, and it's 32 ounces. Alright, so I'm going to put the lid on, press sealing, and I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to turn it on manual. And if you can see, it's on 7 minutes, but I actually want to turn it down to 5 minutes. It really does not take very long. So it's only going to cook for 5 minutes. It's going to come up to pressure. That takes a little bit longer. There you go. And then it's only going to cook for 5 minutes, and then we're going to release the pressure. So we'll come back in about 5 minutes. Okay, so while it is cooking, we are going to pick some kale from my garden. And if you can see, I have so much kale. I even have a whole lot more than just this. And then I'm just going to show you real quick. So if you can see this right here, that's where I picked my onion yesterday. These ones are little tiny baby ones from it. You can see. But we are just going to pick some kale and then chop it up and put it in the soup. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes and now we can let the pressure out. Alright, moment of truth. Okay, so for the last 2 ingredients, we are going to add 1 cup of whipping cream. And then the kale that we picked outside. And then you'll just want to stir it until the kale wilts into the soup. And then the bacon that you set aside, we are just going to add it to the top of each bowl when you serve it up. But your soup is done. Alright, so I'm so excited to warm up with this soup, so let's give it a try. Oh, this is good. Has a little bit of kick to it from the red pepper flakes. It is delicious. So it's definitely warming me up because the soup is, of course, hot and it's a little spicy. It's perfect. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, And if you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.